One thing I learned, I would never try to do it myself. I've found a few people that I've known have done that. It ended up costing them more than if they had it done because they messed up and usually end up having somebody come in and do it anyway. But when you have a crew that comes in and does the work for you, and you know it's going to be done the right way, the way you want it, you can't beat that. The professionalism that they have within the company, and I'm talking about not just from the top of the heap, the president, right down, I'm talking right down to the painters themselves. And they're really nice guys. You know, they're a lot of fun. They have fun doing their work. It's like they enjoy being there with you. And that's important. And when they finish the job, I'll tell you, my patio on the outside was cleaner than it was when I started. So, and that really impressed me. I mean, very seldom do you find that. So I was really, really impressed with the way they cleaned up after they finished. I'll tell you what, I recommend them to anybody and everybody, family and friends.